Okay, can you show me your little sandwich you're going to make?
Yep.
Okay, what's it made out of?
Rice.
Yeah, rice and what?
Sausage.
Oh, sausage. Okay, so what do you do? Can you tell me the steps that are involved?
Yep.
Okay, so what do you do?
Put some rice on here.
Yeah.
And then, voila!
What's it look like?
Voila. Voila.
Well, that looks like it's a little sausage sandwich. Oh,
Billy, he said voila.
he said voila, yeah. Wow. How is it? Oh, chew it up. Your water's over there. You need to drink water. What's Lily doing over here? Lily, you having a hard time with your socks? Just put it on your foot. Yeah, either one. Okay, yep. Put it on that one. Mommy,
What? What's wrong?
too much.
Let's spit some out.
I think that's the right one, Lily. That goes on your other foot.
Which one you like? What don't you like about it?
That goes in your other foot.
You didn't like the piece of sausage?
There you go. Are you full?
Yeah.
Yeah, your belly's hurting?
Yeah.
Let me see that belly. Oh, full.
Full on my belly silver.
Oh. Well, how's your water? You gonna have a little bit of water with that? Holy smokes. Let me look inside that. It's all gone. Ah, it's empty.
No, what?
Wow.